So in today's live video, what I wanted to go over specifically was some landing pages. And I wanted to specifically talk to you about how to simplify everything that you're doing, because this is probably the most important thing now that people are stressed out with, being home, people, losing their jobs, or people's lives really changing, people homeschooling and stuff like that. The attention span keeps shrinking. So we need to make sure that people are really on track with what it is that we do. Now, I even have a hard time with this, okay? So sometimes what ends up happening is it's easier to make a big paragraph of what it is that you do and over explain it than it is to simplify it into so many words. So I'm going to keep this video, this masterclass, super quick, super simple, and I want to show you specifically some different pages that I think got it really, really simple. And this is how I'd like you to be able to start focusing in on every little tiny thing that you do. All right, so let's take a look here at a couple of different pages. All right, let me share my screen here. All right, so the very first one that I want to show you is this one here. All right, so you should be able to see this. Look at how simple this page is, right? This is actually a website page, okay? So she specifically, I think this is on the front page of her website, and it cannot get any more simple than this, right? Obviously, you can tell exactly what it is she does. She does yoga, but she does do 3 different types, right? So you can see those right here. All right, super, super simple. All right, this is an amazing landing page. Let me show you another one. All right, share screen again. It's a few extra clicks when I'm doing it through through StreamYard. All right, so take a look at this one here. Laura Portier. She does ads. All right, can you tell she has an ad class? I'm scrolling all the way to the bottom of her page. This is it, right? Amazing program, amazing teacher, top expert, right? And she has a monthly class for $7 a month. This is the other thing that I want to get across here, right? Having a low-end product where you have a lot of buyers coming into a small program is what I talk about a lot. It takes all of those freebie seekers, brings them into your list, into a small program where they get high value, and then they trust you. They know what you're all about, and they're easier to sell into your bigger programs. All right. She's got an amazing program here. Couldn't be any simpler for a sales page. All right. And I'm talking, this is a sales page, not just an opt-in, right? It's a sales page. Super, super simple, especially when it's for something that is so low cost, right? High value and low cost. All right, so I'm going to show you a freebie that I'm in the middle of making myself. So this one here is for my Kajabi. It'll be for the front end of my Kajabi course. So here's the pipeline inside of Kajabi. Okay, look at this opt-in page. I've just started it, but it's going to have a picture over here. All right, can you see how it's going to have a picture over here? It says free guide. And then literally it's got 21 reasons, but it's going to be 28 reasons why Kajabi is a smart choice for solo entrepreneurs. All right, name and email address. This is all I'm asking. And if you scroll down, it just has the logo and my name, right? That is it. Literally, that's going to be all that is on this page. There will be a picture of the free guide, like I said, over here. It has got one email, okay? And then on the thank you page, I like to do the thank you pages a couple of different ways, either to put a video there or to actually put a, let me see here. Yeah, to put a video there or to actually have the instant download. All right, so here it is. Look, there's the picture of the guide that they're going to get, right? And then I give them an extra bonus that's talking about a free trial for the Kajabi, 14 free days. All right, this is the thank you page. All right, and then there will be one more little message on here because we've already captured their attention. We've already got their email, right? So I'll be asking them to go back and check their email for another bonus, another free gift. All right, so this is what I wanted to talk about on this particular masterclass, is to make everything super, super simple, very clarified, very much to the point, and very easy for your ideal clients to know and understand what it is that you do, okay? Or what it is that you want them to do. What steps do they need to take, right? So, each one of these pages that I showed you was a very clarifying, right? So, my super simple sales page had name and email address, or sales page. My super simple opt-in had name and email, and it's going to have a picture over there of the product that they're going to get for free, right? Laura Portier's sales page is super short, right? Which is really great for a small cost, high value offer. The yoga program, right? That they had 3 choices to click. Once you click onto one of those choices, though, then it would take you to something a little bit bigger, a little bit of a bigger page. But keep it super, super simple. I can't say this enough. All right. So long form sales pages are great if you've got something, for a couple $100 or more, or, a couple thousand. Obviously, you're going to need a lot more information on there to get somebody to buy right off that sales page. But for a freebie offer or anything that's under 20, under $10, $15, it should be really, really simple. All right. I just want to leave you with that today. This masterclass is like 5-6 minutes long, something like that. And I literally want you to go in today, take a look at what it is that you're offering. Are you over complicating it? And is there a bunch of pieces that you can take out, or are you simplifying it? Now, once you get your people's emails address or they buy into that $7 offer, that $15 offer, perfect. Give them lots and lots of information there. So once people give me their email address, this becomes the freebie, right? And it's partly done here. But look at the information in this. All right. So that is what I want to do. I want to over deliver once they give me something of theirs. So if they've given me their email address and their name, then that is pretty important to them. And I want to make sure that I'm making it worthwhile. I'm not going to spam them with anything, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them lots and lots of value, and I'm going to over deliver so that they get high value in that. All right. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Make your sales pages as simple as you can and as straightforward as you can. Make your opt-ins with as little information and as little to look at as you possibly can, and then over deliver on either the free offer or the product that you're going to be delivering. All right. This is one of the reasons why people have ended up frustrated and people aren't buying as easily. If you find people in your industry or your niche and you're like, where are all my buyers? Well, it's because they've been burned out on bad offers, or they've been burned out on the bait and switch, and people aren't always listening to master classes, webinars. People aren't always listening to webinars anymore because people are going on there saying what they should do and not teaching how to do one specific thing. All right, but that's for another class. All right, so that's what I'm going to leave you with. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this master class. Give me a thumbs up, ask me your questions, and let me know what you think. And if you have a sales page or an opt-in, put it underneath here. Let us take a look at it, okay? I want to have some interaction as well. So if you've got a freebie offer, definitely check out, definitely put the link below and let us check it out. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you later.